scheduled for one fall with a 1 hour time limit. Introducing first, she is 5'5¼ tall, weighing in at 129 pounds. She's from St. Paul, Minnesota, the Radiant Rain! And her opponent, she is 6 feet tall, weighing in at none of your business. She's from Tokyo, Japan.
It is main event time here in the Orpheum at Ybor City as the Radiant One, Rain, the leader of Valkyrie, taking on Amazing Kong here in our main event. Frankie Gastineau is your referee, and we are underway, and Kong takes off after Rain, who hightails it right down to the floor. And the last time Kong was staring across from Valkyrie, it was back at Shine 6, and it was not Amazing Kong killing Radiant Rain, but it was a 4-on-1 beatdown being directed by Rain when Valkyrie made their presence felt, made their identity known. After those cryptic videos sent into the Shine office, we had no idea who or what Valkyrie was. Speculation was running rampant throughout the internet as to who or what Valkyrie actually was. And it wasn't until the main event of Shine 6 where Mercedes Martinez was victorious over Kong, as Valkyrie made themselves known to Shine. April Hunter taking the legs out of Kong while she had Martinez locked into a Fisherman Buster attempt. Martinez able to grab the ropes, got the 1-2-3, and then it was the beatdown laid out by Ivelisse, April Hunter, Taylor Made, and Allison Kay of not just Kong, but every single woman that came out of the locker room. And Rain continues to end up in the laps of the fans in the front row, although I'm sure they're not complaining. Apparently they want this fan to take her place. Radiant Rain on the shelf. We saw the right wrist still heavily taped. She has that wrist guard, although a blinged out wrist guard at that. I mean, only Rain would have a wrist guard that pretty. But it was the broken right wrist suffered at the hands of Kong in that tag team matchup. Back at Shine 4, it was Rain and Mercedes Martinez teaming up against Amazing Kong and Jazz. Rain went for the go-behind, and Kong quickly snuffed out that attempt.
All the bling in the world's not gonna save her now. I think the fan said it best. She's gonna kill her.
Well, I'm sure that's a thought that certainly crossed the mind of not just Rain, but the rest of Valkyrie as well, which is why The other 4 ladies are here at ringside to keep a close eye on things, and I am quite certain that they will not hesitate to interject themselves should the opportunity arise. As Rain in the ropes, trying to buy a little bit of time, but Kong's just so physically dominant. Rain is gonna have to stick and move and hope that Kong makes a mistake here. And go downstairs, right there, take the legs out, DDT, and that's the opening she may have needed right there. Oh, but Kong powers her way out at 2. And Rain's gonna have to stick and move and keep Kong off of her feet here.
It almost seems like Rain was playing possum there. She's nursing that arm, but she's coming out strong.
And Kong just that quickly back to her feet. Kong with just a superhuman ability to absorb punishment and then continue to fight. She is just a physically dominant woman.
And you don't want to be on her bad side. Trust me.
Avalanche in the corner, nowhere for Rain to go but down. Oh, cocky cover there for Kong as she stares down Valkyrie at the same time, almost daring those 4 women to come into the ring and try something. Maiden Sin pointing out that Kong right there was cheating, something that they would never, ever do.
No, never.
Drop kick by Rain as Kong was stuck in the ropes. And another one, scoring in the midsection, but the ropes holding Kong up there. And another one sends Kong to a seated position in the corner here. And that's exactly what Rain needs to do. Keep Kong off her feet and punish her at every opportunity she has with Kong in a weakened position here.
Yeah, she cuts off that airway. Can't breathe, can't fight.
And April Hunter on the outside echoing my sentiments, screaming, don't let her get up. She's 6 feet tall, don't let her get up. And that's exactly the situation that Rain finds herself in. Oh, nobody home. Went for that spinning back fist and then tried a single leg, but couldn't get the massive legs of Kong to go where she wanted her to go. Scoop and a slam just with ease. Kong with some momentum. Big splash. Only 2. I don't know how she got the shoulder up, but she did. Give her credit.
That was remarkable. I will give her that.
Oh, looking to finish her off again here. Oh, great counter there.
Move that finished her off for Shine 5. Rain was smarter this time. Good counter.
Oh, Maiden Sin trying to bring, no, saw it. Oh, Rain just gets run right into Frankie Gastineau's spinning back fist, but no referee. Kong looking to finish her off. Valkyrie hits the ring, and again it's 4-on-1 on Kong, who's back to her feet. And Kong is cleaning house. Allison Kay out to the floor. Rain's got a chair, and I don't think it's gonna help. Fighting over the chair, Rain goes downstairs. Oh! Rain's playing possum! Kong had the chair in her hands! Rain hit the deck!
From disqualification, Brilliant Rain!
nefarious means, to say the least. And Valkyrie is attacking Kong again. 5-on-1. Nikki rocks.